Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing traditional goth makeup. Anytime I see somebody with this makeup, I literally just like stare in awe because it is so beautiful, and I really want to try it out for myself and see if I can pull it off or not. So I'm going to go ahead and show some examples on the screen that I'm going to kind of use as my reference photos, and let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Also guys, how do you like my shirt? It's kind of giving that vibe too. The first thing that I'm going to do is paint my whole face white. Yeah, a little scared for that. I'm just gonna use this Athena makeup palette with a bunch of different colors, but I'm basically just gonna use the white and I'm gonna paint my entire face. So yeah, to spare you guys some time since it kind of takes long, I'm just gonna skip to me with my entire face covered in white. Also, I want to say that I did gel down my brows so they don't move, and I will be using a primer underneath all this. Okay, so my entire face is white now. Now I definitely want to do the eyebrows. In traditional goth makeup, the eyebrows are always very arched and skinny. Oh my god, I don't want to mess this up because I already did this eyebrow and it looks good. Okay, that's not bad. I can't tell if I messed them up or not. Let's just say that I didn't, and let's say that it looks good. So now I'm actually gonna contour my nose. Curious as to what I did. I basically used a flat brush like this to do the nose contour. I just shaped it into the shape that I wanted. Blended out a little bit. I used some of the white. Now I want to do the eyeliner, and in traditional goth makeup, the eyeliner is very big, very bold. I'm really scared because if I mess this up, I'm gonna have to redo like the whole eye right here. I think that looks good. Now I'm gonna do like the inner wing right here. Okay, this is kind of tea. Hold on. I didn't even know I'd be able to pull that off. Hold on. Next thing I want to do is do the lips, and in traditional goth makeup, their lips are almost always black. So that's what we're gonna do today. Okay. It looks really good so far. I was honestly expecting this to be a flop and for me to delete the video and never talk about it again, but it looks pretty good right now. Next up, I want to do the lashes. I got some new lashes from the hair store yesterday. I'm going to go ahead and put these on. I'm just going to put on some mascara. Okay, that looks good. Let's do the other one. This is so freaking pretty. Oh my god. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments what you think I could do better. You know, what I did good. Love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, supporting me, everything like that. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much. Bye guys.